Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to be updated for my upcoming video.
Hi, hello, namaste. I'm your host Ritesh. Guys, do you know that the NASA has captured the most dynamic movement of the sun's atmosphere? I mean, they have recorded the sound of the sun. Interesting, right? And that too, they have recorded the sound of the sun with their advanced voice recorder. And after that, they have revealed the sound of the sun to the world. And also said that the sound of the sun is similar to our Bharatiya Veda mantra Om. Anyway, we believe that in our Indian culture, sun as a god, and we do Surya Namaskar. Now, sound is also matching to Om. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep on supporting me.